Today we are going to see optional actions. Optional actions are also called as local actions. Optional actions, as the name suggests, they are optional and they will not be executed mandatorily as per the primary path or in the happy path. These optional actions scope can be throughout the case or throughout the stage, which we will see now. In the App Studio, after opening the case type, click on the optional actions here to see the optional actions configured for the assistance request case type. As you can see here, these are called as case-wide local actions or case-wide optional actions. These are also called as supporting processes. So in order to assess these, after launching the case, say for example, I'm launching a case now. After launching a case, we can go to the actions and run these actions. For example, edit details or change stage. These are cancel request. These are the case wide. So throughout the case processing, anywhere you can access them. Currently we are in the create stage, so we are not able to access it. So anytime during this assistance request case flow, you can click on actions tab. See, these are the local actions. For example, edit details, change stage, cancel request. Say if I go to change stage, then I can choose a stage to which I want to jump to. Say I want to directly jump to resolution stage. I can. So from create, without entering into the validation service, I am going to the resolution stage. So this is the benefit. So these case-wise actions or local actions are nothing but normal flow actions only. So change stage, cancel request, this is a normal flow action. Sorry, normal flows, process flows. So if you see cancel request, this is a flow rule. It internally uses decision shapes, automation steps. So each step defined here is going to be one automation shape. So each step here, this is one shape, collect info shape, assignment shape. This is decision shape, as you can see here. This is change stage, change to a specific stage, smart shape. If you want, you can add other actions also. So these are called as case-wide actions. Say for example, consider you have called to a customer care representative for some credit card dispute, and in the middle you want to change your alternate contact number without disturbing the primary flow. In such a case, you can add here one more case-wide local action called update contact address. In that, so that the CSR will automatically go to the actions. He will go to the add work and he will select update contact details, so that that flow will be launched. You can update your contact details and resume the processing of the main case. These are, so in such scenarios, we have to use case-wide local actions. For example, update contact address or update contact details. It should be accessible throughout the case, in the create stage, validation stage, service stage, through all. It should be accessible for all the stages. Similarly, edit details or similarly change stage. It should be accessible for across all the stages. Say for example, you want to add some actions which should be allowed only in one particular stage. For example, say you have already booked some items in Amazon and you want to cancel them. So in such a case, when you are already in the, say assume in the first stage of adding items to the cart, then cancelling doesn't have any sense. So it should not be available in the first stage. So only it should be available only when in the second stage, which is processing stage. Say consider third stage as the fulfillment stage. So once the order is shipped, then you cannot cancel it because already been delivered dispatched from their warehouse. So in such case, you can only in the processing stage you can have a stage-wide local action or stage-wide process, wherein in that stage-wide process across all the steps in that stage only you can access that local action. So if you see if there is only one step, It is called as a single step local action. If there are multiple steps, you can configure it as a multiple step local action. Thank you.